The Mariana Trench, which is the lowest point on planet Earth, reaching more than 7 miles below the surface of the Pacific Ocean, this crescent-shaped trench is in the western Pacific, just east of the Mariana Islands near Guam. And because Guam is a US territory and the 15 Northern Mariana Islands are governed by a US Commonwealth, the US has jurisdiction over the Mariana Trench. But now a Chinese team has developed a small robot that can operate in the world's deepest sea trench under extremely high pressure. This 50-centimeter long miniature drone that is no larger than a briefcase draws inspiration from the movement patterns of the batfish. It is designed by Beihang University faculty members. The achievement was detailed in a landmark science robotics study last week. Why is this achievement noteworthy? Well, the robot's operational ability is an engineering feat, engineered to succeed where even US Navy machines cannot reach. It underscores a widening gap between the technological capabilities of Beijing and Washington. While China completed 246 deep-sea dives last year alone, that is more than all other nations combined. The US relies on aging submersibles or submarines like the 61-year-old Alvin that maxes out at 6,500 meters. The Chinese robot, on the other hand, can swim, glide and crawl across the trench's 10.7-kilometer suffocating abyss. The study says it is also capable of underwater experiments and efficient deep-sea tasks like collecting marine samples from the seabed, so paving the way for future exploration and interaction with deep-sea ecosystems. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.